Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to cancel subscription on Stripe. So let's get right into it. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to stripe.com. Once you are here, on the left side, click on the billing option here and go to subscription. On the subscription page, look for the subscription you want to cancel. Once you selected, click on the X button showing up next to it, or click on the three buttons and click on cancel subscription. Once you click it, it will ask you when you want to cancel the subscription. You can cancel it immediately or when the current subscription period ends, or set up a custom date. Once you're selected, click on cancel subscription. And there you have it. You have successfully canceled a subscription on Stripe. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.